Healthy Forever presents Drink a glass of garlic water. See what happens to you. I know drinking garlic water sounds disgusting, but the benefits are well worth it. Let's break it down to understand just how beneficial it can be. Garlic water is made of two ingredients, garlic and water. So we'll see the benefits of each ingredient and then the added benefits when they are mixed together. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips and smash the like button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Benefits of drinking water every morning. During sleep, your body loses hydration. If you drink a glass of water every morning when you wake up, it will help in rehydrating your body to aid in proper function. Garlic benefits. Garlic is filled with a sulfur compound called allicin that helps to aid in your health. This little herb reduces the inflammation in muscles and joints. It helps to improve your immune system. Garlic can also reduce the risk of many different types of cancer. Although not proven, experts claim that garlic has been known to lower your blood pressure, as well as your cholesterol. Lowering cholesterol helps with keeping your arteries from being clogged. Garlic has the qualities of antibacterials that aid in fighting fungus. It also has the capabilities of antioxidants that help to remove toxins in your body, which will help to decrease breakouts on your skin. Benefits of drinking garlic water every day. Now let's see what happens when we put the two of these ingredients together. Gut health. Eating your garlic raw elevates antibiotic qualities. If you expose the antibiotic qualities to your gut bacteria, it can improve your gut health and aid in reducing viruses. Improve lipids. Drinking water mixed with raw garlic is a natural blood thinner. This helps with your lipid profile. If you improve your lipid profile, then the allicin can help kill tumor cells that are cancerous. It can also help with different lung diseases. Weight loss and digestion. Since better digestion aids in weight loss, then drinking water mixed with raw garlic can help with weight loss as it helps to kickstart the digestive system. Cough and cold. Garlic has always been a well-known remedy for things like asthma, cough, and cold. So, drinking garlic water every day helps to prevent these everyday problems. Helpful in TB. Consuming garlic water each day can aid with tuberculosis, even after you've been diagnosed with TB. Prevents diabetes. Detoxify. Garlic has sulfur in it. This sulfur rids your body of toxins. When you mix the garlic with water, it makes this a faster process as it hydrates you. Prevents kidney infections and urinary tract infections. Prevents heart diseases. Garlic water lowers cholesterol. In turn, by lowering your cholesterol, it helps your heart because it helps in stopping cardiovascular-related diseases. Warning: make sure that you never eat too much garlic. Also, if you are allergic to it, then you should never eat it raw. Anyone who has stomach ulcers and women who are pregnant should not eat raw garlic either. If you are under any medical treatment at all, speak with your doctor before using garlic water as an everyday routine. Conclusion: garlic water has so many benefits to your health. So, although it may not taste that great, the beneficial qualities it contains make it so much more bearable. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below, and let us know what you think. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.